On the campaign trail in Haryana, Prime Minister Modi raked up the Vadra land deal and launched a blistering attack on the Congress government. Modi accused the Haryana government of acting under pressure from the Congress High Command and legitimizing the Vadra land deal even as the model code of conduct is in place. This charge was promptly rebutted by the Haryana Chief Minister, but a letter by the Gurgaon Deputy Commissioner, accessed by Times Now, shows that the Haryana government has legitimized the controversial land deal and overridden Khemka's action.
कल उन्होंने, उनकी सरकार ने चुनाव की आचार संहिता होने के बावजूद भी एक फैसला किया। क्या फैसला किया? दामाद को जमीन देने के काम को फाइनल कर दिया। उनको मालूम है चुनाव नतीजे के बाद दामाद को कुछ मिलने की संभावना नहीं है, इसलिए अभी कर्ज चुका दो। चुनाव के बीचों बीच पाप करने की इनकी हिम्मत देखिए। और मुझे लगता है ऊपर से डंडा चला है, ऊपर से, कि जाते जाते काम करके जाओ, जा रहे हो, हमारा क्या, और इसलिए उनको ये करना पड़ा है। भाइयों बहनों, मैं आशा करता हूं कि चुनाव आयोग इस प्रकार के लाभप्रद निर्णयों पर गंभीरता से सोचेगा और उचित निर्णय करेगा कि क्या चुनाव के मध्य कोई सरकार इस प्रकार के लाभप्रद देने वाले निर्णय कर सकती है क्या? आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन है क्या? इस बात पर भारत का चुनाव आयोग जरूर गंभीरता से विचार करेगा, ऐसा मुझे विश्वास है।
कोई जमीन सौदा हरियाणा सरकार का कोई वास्ता नहीं है उसका। हरियाणा सरकार, मैं आज भी ओस पे कह रहा हूं, जो भी ये कहते हैं गुमराह कर रहे हैं। अगर कोई ये सिद्ध कर दे कि उसमें 1 इंच भी सरकारी जमीन थी तो मैं आज ही पद छोड़ने के लिए तैयार हूं। क्योंकि एक व्यक्ति के नजदीकी है तो सिर्फ दुष्प्रचार किया जा रहा है। अगर कोई एक साबित कर, मैं बार बार कह चुका, अगर 1 इंच भी हरियाणा सरकार की जमीन होगी तो मेरा आज ही लेकर सेवा दे, और नहीं तो लोकायुक्त में दरखास्त दे, नहीं है वहां दें।
Been any violation or transgression during the ongoing elections, that has been by the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi himself, on the 3rd, when he chose to use the national broadcaster, the All India Radio, to speak to the people when elections are on in the states of Maharashtra and in Haryana. And the same day, another brazen transgression took place, that in a democratic, constitutional, secular republic, a leader of RSS, Mohan Bhagwat, his address on this particular day, which has a symbolic value for the Hindutva forces, that was telecast again on the national broadcaster, the Doordarshan. And I have not heard anything from Mr. Narendra Modi or any of his colleagues, or the Election Commission for that matter. So it is not only the arrogance of power, concentration of power, that the sense of balance has been lost.
Narendra Modi was unsparing in his attack on Congress and INLD for the misrule and corruption during their governments in the past. And at the same time, he asked the people of Haryana to give a clear mandate so that the BJP is able to form the government on its own. This clearly shows that Prime Minister Modi is clearly aware that the BJP has lost the advantage that it had at the time of Lok Sabha election, and if the party wants to have its own government on its own in Haryana, it is very important for the BJP to regain that momentum.
Something happened since the elections were announced, or is the Prime Minister telescoping the law of the land that applies generally with the law that applies during the time of an election, after an election is announced? To my knowledge, nothing has happened that could be taken to be violation of the Code of Conduct. I think that the Prime Minister seems to forget that he's now Prime Minister and not just somebody aspiring to become Prime Minister. I think he, not just here but in Maharashtra also, he ends up saying things that sound like like a lower level speech to rouse your own supporters. I think once you're Prime Minister, you must speak with care, knowing fully well that there are many people who would then want to question you for what you've said.
Mr. Hooda is ensuring his position after 15th of October in the Congress party, and there can't be any better way but to please the 10 Janpad and in 10 Janpad the son-in-law. So I think he knows he has lost the elections. He will not be seen in Haryana anymore, but he should be seen in 24 Akbar Road, headquarters of Congress. So that he has ensured by favoring the son-in-law.
देखिए ये सब मामले कोर्ट के सामने भी हैं। अब कोर्ट जो है इसके अंदर मतलब जो उनका राय है वो उसको आने दीजिए, क्योंकि कानून की और हमारी संवैधानिक व्यवस्था को सुरक्षित रखने का जिम्मेदारी हमारी कोर्ट कचहरियों का है और निश्चित रूप से जुडिशरी इसके अंदर कुछ कहेगी।